Hello, hi viewers. Welcome to our channel Online Education. In this channel, we will be teach you how to make e-commerce website in WordPress. For this website, you need some requirement. We will be teach you everything in this in detail. You will be get more information about the WordPress website for e-commerce. Thanks for your watching. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Thanks. First of all, you have to log in your cPanel. In this cPanel of your domain, in this domain we are going to first of all install the WordPress in our site. Press the find out the WordPress and press the WordPress button. Is the first option is install now. In this install now, you need to install in your website directory. Our website main website this, and our directory is site name is e-commerce, commerce, ecom. This is our site name. There we enter the name for our website. For example, a website name UNIQUE online store. There we are add some site description here. Best online store in the world. Is there username, and we are going to add some password here. Password for login when we are enter some work in the WordPress. This is our email address for admin. Is there we can select any type of theme, but at this time we are not select the theme, just we are press the install button. After a few moments you will see the WordPress installed successfully on our website. At this time we are successfully installed the WordPress. This is the link for login and for the dashboard. This is our domain. At this time we are going to edit this domain. First of all, this is the dashboard of our WordPress. In this WordPress we are going to add themes. Select the themes. Is there we are going to add new theme. Search the add new, because we are need e-commerce website theme for more working. This is also a shops theme available for shopping. Is there we will be find many themes. I am going to enter the shop. This will be show us many themes for online, for e-commerce, for online store. This tutorial will be well helpful for your future and to creating the e-commerce website. Sorry, no data found. E-commerce theme. I try to in another way e-commerce theme. This is the e-commerce theme 1, 2nd, 3rd. There's one, this one. This is the beauty. I'm going to choose this and using the enter press the add new install. I am press the install button. After a few moments, at this time our website look like this. After this installation, I am going to activate this theme. After a few moments our website will be changed to a new shape, new look, according to our selected theme. I am going to press the refresh button. You will be see our website entirely changed. That's great. We are going to add some data in this website. Let's see how to manage this. First of all, I am going to dashboard. In this dashboard we are going to add some plugins. Some plugins are required to add to work more efficiently on our website. Add new. First of all, we are need classic editor. Click here and press the active. And is there next is WooCommerce. WooCommerce, press the add new button after this. WooCommerce is the basic plugin that will allow us to add the e-commerce to working e-commerce website. After this, we need some few plugins to working this. After a few moments, this will be installed. After a few moments, this install. Now I am press the active button. This will be active, this plugin. After this, we need some few plugins for the to access this complete functionality of this plugin. Is there we enter the address of our office number 123, country Pakistan, Punjab, city Lahore, postal code. Press the continue. No thanks. No thanks. Press the next button. In which industry does the store our fashion, apparel and accessories, health and beauty? No. Electronics and computer? Yes. Home furniture and gun? No. Education and done. Now I am going to press the continue because we are we are depend on physically products. Download? No. Subscription? No. Membership? No. Booking? No. Bundles? No. Next, we are just need this. Who many does products do you want to display? 100 products currently selling elsewhere. Currently selling elsewhere? No. Yes. Another platform? No. We are no, but at this time we are no need Facebook, no need contact customer with, no need create mail, Google AdWords, no need this. Press the continue. This is our theme that we are used. Continue with the active theme. Yes. After a few moments, we will be able to, yes please, we will be able to add the our site look like a e-commerce website. At this time we are like this, look like this. After this, we are successfully add WooCommerce in our website. Now at this time we are here on our website. At this time we are need some products in our, first of all we are add category in our website. After this we can add the product. For them, first of all we are add some cameras. Slug means the reference number for the browser. Cameras, create. This will be create a category. After this creating category, we are add new products here. First of all we are add a sample another data. For example, camera Canon 1. Either we are add some description about this camera. 5 megapixel or 100 GB space, 4 GB RAM. We are add here all the specification here, and is there we are enter the price. For example, 10,000 sale price 9,500. Is there we are set the image for this. Thanks for your watching. Please subscribe our channel. Thanks for your watching. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for your watching.